Tyler was 26 years old, earning $47,000 a year as a general auto mechanic in Michigan. Oil changes, brake jobs, tire rotations, basic engine diagnostics. He worked hard, customers liked him, but his paycheck barely moved year to year. Flat hourly rate, occasional small bonus, same grind. What frustrated him wasn't the work. It was watching one technician in the same shop earn nearly double. That technician wasn't faster, wasn't stronger, wasn't working longer hours. He was certified in advanced diagnostics, electrical systems, hybrid vehicles, computerized engine control modules. When complex cars rolled in, everyone called him, and customers paid premium labor rates for his time. That's when Tyler realized something powerful. General repair pays average. Complex diagnostics pays premium. Because complexity scares most mechanics. Modern cars aren't just mechanical. They're software on wheels, sensors, control modules, hybrid batteries, advanced driver systems. And most mechanics avoided those jobs. Too technical, too risky, too much responsibility. But responsibility increases pay. Tyler went home that night and searched ASE Master Technician certification. It wasn't easy. Multiple exams, hands-on knowledge, serious study time. Most mechanics never complete it. That's why it pays more. So Tyler made a decision. For the next 12 months, he would upgrade. No more coasting. No more only oil changes. He bought study materials, spent 1 to 2 hours every night reviewing. Electrical theory, diagnostic scanners, advanced troubleshooting trees, hybrid safety systems. Weekends, he practiced with shop equipment when possible. At first, he felt overwhelmed. He realized how much he didn't know. But that's growth. Within 6 months, he passed his first 2 ASE exams. Shop manager took notice, started assigning him more advanced jobs. Labor rate for those jobs was higher. He wasn't earning 6 figures yet, but he was moving tiers. 9 months later, he passed additional exams, earned Master Technician status, and that changed everything. The shop adjusted his pay structure. Old income, $47,000. New income structure, $68,000 base equivalent with performance incentives. But here's the key. Advanced diagnostics paid higher hourly billing rates, and Tyler was now one of only 2 certified technicians in the shop. Scarcity increased leverage. But the real jump hadn't happened yet, because certification doesn't just increase shop income, it opens dealership and specialty roles. That's where the 6 figures live. Getting Master Technician status didn't just raise Tyler's pay, it changed how he was viewed. Customers requested him by name. Other mechanics asked for his help on complex jobs. But here's the real shift. Dealership recruiters started noticing. Because advanced diagnostics, especially hybrid and EV systems, were in short supply. Modern vehicles aren't just engines, they're rolling computers. And very few mechanics are comfortable inside those systems. One dealership 40 minutes away reached out. They were expanding their hybrid and EV service department. Interview focused on high-voltage safety procedures, battery pack diagnostics, software calibration, module reprogramming. Tyler wasn't guessing. He had studied it. Offer: $82,000 base salary. Performance incentives based on billed labor hours. But here's where the jump accelerated. Dealership labor rates for EV and hybrid work were significantly higher. Some diagnostic jobs billed at $160 to $190 per hour. Within his first year, with performance bonuses, Tyler's total compensation crossed $96,000. From $47K, $68K, $96K in roughly 24 to 30 months. But he didn't stop there. He noticed something important. EV adoption was increasing. More electric vehicles meant more certified technicians needed. Scarcity was growing, so he doubled down. Advanced EV certification, battery management systems, high-voltage system calibration, thermal control diagnostics. Most mechanics avoided EV specialization. Too new, too complex, too technical. But complexity equals premium. Within another year, Tyler became the go-to EV specialist in the dealership. His billing efficiency increased, high-ticket diagnostic jobs, warranty-covered manufacturer work. Year 3 total compensation, $112,000. Blue collar, auto mechanic, 6 figures. Not by opening a shop, not by working 80 hours, by mastering complexity. And here's the deeper psychological lesson. The highest paid trades aren't the hardest physically. They're the hardest intellectually. When you move from repetition to problem solving, your pay tier changes. Tyler once thought turning wrenches capped income. Now he understood something different. Understanding systems multiplies income. The more expensive the problem you can solve, the more you get paid. Simple. Now, instead of living month to month, he was investing $4,000 to $5,000 monthly, planning to eventually open a specialty EV diagnostics shop. That's leverage. Blue collar doesn't mean low ceiling. Low skill depth means low ceiling. If you want higher income in trades, don't chase volume, chase complexity. The fewer people who can do what you do, the more you earn. If you're working hard but stuck at average pay, it's not your effort. It's your specialization level. Subscribe to Rich Mind Talk, because we don't just motivate workers, we build experts.